If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about making a move to San Antonio or PCSing down here. Today we're going to be visiting a community called Davies Ranch, which is located on the northwest side of town near Alamo Ranch, which is a great community. They have their own school within the community. They have their own pool, their own amenities. So everything is pretty much within walking distance, which nowadays a lot of people like things that are within walking distance, like restaurant, bars, things of that nature. This property is also located in the North Side Independent School District. As you can see on the map, it's located maybe about 45 minutes from downtown in traffic. So I wanted to give you guys an idea, truthfully, how far you are from the downtown area. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. But before we do, this particular tour, the floor plan is called the Indepence by Centex Homes. That is the builder. This particular property is starting off in the low $330,000 mark. So definitely a good property if you're looking to be on the northwest side of town. Hope you enjoy the tour. Go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and shoot me an email or send me a message. Link and email are in the bio. As always, if you have any other questions or concerns or want to know how the new build process works or the home buying process itself when moving to San Antonio, I'd love to hop on a 5-minute phone call and explain. Until then, happy house hunting, guys.